Hello everyone, welcome back to Broadheart channel. Today we're discussing the best wireless keyboard and mouse. Are you thinking of setting up an ergonomic and clean workspace for yourself? Do you want a workspace that looks as if it has just been derived out of a Pinterest picture? Do you want the absolute best accessories for your desktop or laptop? Well, you are in the right place. In this article, we will be discovering various sleek and elegant looking wireless keyboards and mouse sets which will amp up your workplace from a regular desk to a professional looking workspace. Everyone loves having a study that looks professional and makes you want to work. Even the idea of a cluttered desk with its accessories all tangled up with each other makes you want to procrastinate. One common culprit is that you will find in all cluttered desks are wired. How do we resolve the issue? There are two ways. You either buy an expensive desk and get the wires professionally set up so they look clean, or you could make the wires vanish. In today's day and age, this is a very plausible option. To make the wires vanish, all you need to have are wireless components for your laptop or desktop. We are specifically mentioning the keyboard and mouse set because they are the components that are readily visible on any desktop or laptop setup. Their wires are the most prominent visible ones that cause the most clutter. If clutter and disorganization is not as much of an issue for you, then there are other reasons to buy a keyboard and mouse as well. One of them being the wear and tear of wires. We have all experienced and the wear and tear of wires, especially with earphones or headphones. Wires tend to get molded onto tangles or weird uncomfortable positions that cause them to either break completely or let cracks form. This makes the maintenance of wires very difficult and makes them prone to damage easily. It is very common for your keyboard or mouse to stop working all of a sudden just because the wire had some minute damage. This will lead to situations where you will have to constantly replace the wires with new ones, making it very costly to maintain. A very viable solution to this constant, costly maintenance is buying a set of wireless keyboard and mouse. After all, a set of wireless keyboard and mouse makes your workspace look elegant and very classy. Important points to look for: proper connection. One con faced by wireless keyboard and mouse sets is that they might have a delay in response. Do check the company's claims about good response times while you are selecting a wireless device. Make sure that reviews resonate with their claims about response time. Freedom of use. Wireless devices offer you freedom of use such that they provide a much broader range of usage. While a wired device will tug and probably damage the ports when you accidentally pull it, a wireless set is famous for freedom of use. You can use them from a farther space as compared to wired devices. To make sure that you fully utilize this freedom, check out the device range of the appliance before buying it. Battery. The only thing keeping wireless devices working is the battery. Battery life is a core quality since it decides how you can run the keyboard and mouse freely. Once the battery is out, it is a hassle to recharge it again. There are various mechanics available. Some devices comes with slots for AA batteries and you can exchange them just when they're needed. Others come with a built-in battery that can be recharged by plugging into an adapter. You may choose whatever suits you best. Compatibility. If you are going to be working with various operating system devices, then compatibility is a must. Operating systems like iOS, Linux, Windows, etc. are not always compatible with every device. While buying, ensure that your device is compatible with most operating systems so you can switch to other devices smoothly. Backlit. A backlit keyboard comes with lights amongst its keys. It's done so that the keys are visible even in dark. This is a useful feature for people who might need to type in the dark. It also looks good on a keyboard. Mouse types. Mouses come in various sleek designs. A mouse type can be differentiated on the basis of materials used in its making. Some mouses come with rubber grips to ensure ease of use. People tend to overlook this aspect while buying a mouse, but the smoother it is to glide, the better. Mouse types should also be chosen based on whether you are left handed or right handed. Some models cater only to right handed customers, and you should be able to check that. Keyboard design. People who type a lot are prone to wrist fatigue or cramps in fingers. It would help if you bought a special keyboard that comes with wrist rests in such a case. The purpose of use matters a lot as a gamer will not want the same kind of laptops as a writer. Understand the design and ergonomic placement of keys before selecting a keyboard. Brand. Branded products automatically gain trust because of the loyalty established by different brands. It is wise to spend more and get a branded product than paying less for a non branded one. A branded product comes with its advantages like a fast replacement, available service, strong make, and a good warranty. Top 5 wireless keyboard and mouse sets. Logitech MX900 Performance Combo. Logitech is a trustable brand and they provide very high-end technology in Logitech MX900 Performance Combo. It takes most of the good features from previous models and still manages to make them more advanced. The buyer's attention is instantly grabbed via the innovative design of the keyboard and the mouse. It is full-sized, comes with customizable keys and smart audio adjusting backlighting. The mouse comes with a thumb wheel, a speed adaptive scroll wheel, and a very smooth dark field laser sensor that detects movement even on glass. It also comes with an easy switch technology that helps connect the mouse quickly to other workstations. The battery can last up to 10 days and can be recharged with the help of a USB cable. Its keyboard comes with the following dimensions: 3.68 into 19.17 into 1.06 inches and weighs 750 grams. The mouse size is 4.96 into 3.37 into 1.91 inches and weighs 145 grams. It comes with a warranty of 1 year. Click on the link in the description to see it on Amazon. Key features: smart backlighting. It comes with an auto adjust brightness setting as well as usual manual setting. Range: it can work up to 10 meters or 30 feet range due to advanced 2.4 GHz wireless. Battery: the keyboard battery can last up to 10 days depending on backlit setting. There also exists an LED that conveys battery status. The mouse battery is a rechargeable lithium polymer battery that lasts up to 70 days. The mouse also has an LED indicating battery status. Thumb wheel. A unique feature is present on the mouse known as the programmable side scroll wheel. Connection: connects via Bluetooth. Pros: good battery life, smart backlit, thumb wheel, dark field laser mouse sensor lets the mouse work anywhere. Comfortable mouse design, personalizable. Cons: too expensive. Dell Wireless Keyboard and Mouse KM117. The keyboard is full-sized and comes with the feature of chiclet keys. It comes with a 1 year warranty. Both devices have a solid build with good finishing. Battery type for keyboard and mouse are 2 AAA and 1 AAA. It comes with a low battery indicator. Compatible with Windows 7 or 8 or 8.1 or 10. The weight is 0.81 kg. The mouse has an off button, but the keyboard doesn't have one. The dimensions are 52.58 into 14.91 into 4.7 centimeter. The height and width are 1.85 inches into 5.87 inches. The product is available in the color black. You can click on the link in the description to check it out on Amazon. Key features: battery. The battery for the keyboard and mouse is fulfilled by cells. They respectively require 2 AAA and 1 AA batteries. Promises to last for 12 months. Connection: connects via a nano dongle that connects to the USB port. Foldable feet. The top portion of the keyboard can be raised to about an inch using foldable feet. Tracking. According to the cost, the mouse is an optical mouse that won't work as well as a laser mouse. A mousepad may be required. Pros: very cost effective. Keyboard has chiclet keys. Impressive battery life, comes with batteries. Cons: the keyboard does not have an off button. No backlit feature. Microsoft Wireless Desktop 2000. Microsoft is one brand that anyone can trust in terms of performance. The Microsoft Wireless Desktop 2000 is very easy to use and hence user friendly to another level. The weight is 889 gram and the dimensions of the keyboard are 17.6 into 7.29 inches. The dimensions of the mouse are 4.57 into 2.67 inches. It comes with a battery indicator. In terms of batteries, 4 AA batteries are required. The build quality is very good for its price. There exist foldable feet that provide the keyboard with an angular elevation. Click on the link in the description to check out this product on Amazon. Key features: comfort. A mouse is a great option for anyone who works long hours on computers. It is very comfortable to use, especially if you are prone to cramps. The keyboard comes with a pillow textured palm rest. Advanced encryption standard. The Advanced Encryption Standard AES 128-bit encryption offers safety. It helps in protecting the information you pass to the workstation by encrypting it. Connection. The connection is through a USB transceiver. Blue Track technology ensures precision for the mouse. It guarantees the mouse will work on any kind of surface. Battery. The keyboard can last 18 months without changing batteries, and there is an indicator included. Pros. Comfortable mouse, pillow texture palm rest, cost effective, competent hardware. Cons. Wireless USB adapter is not nano, not backlit, not as ergonomic. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Pradhat channel.